What's wrong with your Jeep, buddy?
It's too slow.
Alright, you want Daddy to make it fast?
Yeah.
So basically what we're going to do for this video, this is all the stock wiring harness, plugs, switches, and the original battery that came in my son's Power Wheels. We're going to push all this out and replace it with two 12 volt, 12 amp hour batteries. And we're going to put it with an electronic soft start, a couple switches. We'll reuse some of the factory forward and reverse switch. And you're going to need a little bit of 10 gauge AWG wire. And the main thing you're going to need is a Hall effect pedal. The original pedals that come on them are just on off. This one allows the kids to control it. So it's basically like a variable speed. So here's the guts inside the Power Wheels. I already stripped all of the main wiring harness because we're not going to reuse any of it. These will actually reuse. Here's your two motors and your two gearboxes. Basically what the ESC control module does is it lets it have a slow startup so you don't strip out these plastic gears in here. You can hook up straight 24 volt and it might last a while, but if your kid's a little, little intimidator, a little Dale Earnhardt, he's gonna strip these things out in no time. So the ESC gives us a little insurance, helps them with a slow start, and also the variable speed pedal will allow them to just not destroy everything instantly. Unfortunately, the hole from the Power Wheels is a little too big for our switch. So I'm going to come in here and make an aluminum plate, cut it out to match that shape, and then we'll have enough to bolt our switch to. Okay, so what we have going on here, basically I edited out all of the wiring because it's pretty hard to show on video, but I'll try to link a wiring diagram in the comment section. Here's your ESC, and basically it hooks up through here. We made this terminal block, and then this switch actually now, it used to have high, low, and reverse. Now you just have low, forward and reverse. And then here's your pedal, cut out and milled spots for the pedal to be accepted here. Now this pedal is a variable speed, so if I lift it up, you can just crawl or get it flat out. And all of this will actually go right back in the stock location, and all the wiring will be hidden by the plastic strips. So all we had to do was make a false cover here for the switch to be mounted into, and the terminal block, and everything else is just using the original parts. The cool thing about the ESC is that it makes it variable speed. So once he learns to control the pedal, he can actually do very, very slow or just gun it right from the start, and it will protect the gearboxes. So besides that, we actually wired it up already to the 24 volt. So we will be fitting these batteries in nose down and running everything with a 40 amp fuse in between the two batteries. The big pain in the butt about Power Wheels, their steering and all the wheels are held on with these push nuts. But the bars and the older Power Wheels are actually the perfect size to thread them 3/8/16. So I will strip all of them and thread them 3/8/16 and use a lock nut, and I'll never have to worry about messing with those again. Anybody over there want to go fast?
I want to go fast. Hi, I'm Benjamin Apeile. Welcome to our four-wheel show. This is my big Jeep, and it has wheels and a shovel.